Hey, what's up guys, X-Ros-M is here again, and today I'm showing off my wind-up deck profile. This deck profile was requested to me by X, so please check out his channel and subscribe. Anyway, so this build is different because it contains Wind-Up Kitten. X requested for me to add Wind-Up Kitten, and I gotta admit, Wind-Up Kitten is such a versatile card. I mean, it's so good, it has an awesome effect. The effect is similar to compulsory evacuation device, and I have no idea why nobody runs Wind-Up Kitten. It's such a good card and you can combo it a lot. Like, it can get over so many powerful monsters. And here I was playing against a masked hero player. I mean, as you guys heard about this new masked hero support and elemental hero Shadow Mist. It's basically kind of like a Stratos. So I'll let you guys watch and enjoy. Anyway guys, here's the deck profile. I'll be going over it really quickly. As I mentioned in every video, there will be a download link for this deck in the description below. And if you use Dueling Network, just change the quality of this video to HD so you can see the cards. Or if you wasn't able to see any cards, then just tell me and I will post the name of all the cards in here for you. Okay, here's the deck, the extra deck. So some combos you can do is like, let me see, like you summon Shark and then a good combo you can do is you activate Wind-Up Factory and then normal summon Wind-Up Magician, then special summon Wind-Up Shark, and now that you have, you can actually special summon one Wind-Up monster from your... A good combo you can do is using Wind-Up Magician, also Wind-Up Shark. It's a really good combo to get over monsters like Beelze or like monsters that cannot be destroyed by card effects and that sort of thing. You normal summon Wind-Up Magician, special summon Wind-Up Shark. That Magician's effect will trigger, allowing you to special summon Wind-Up Kitten. You use Wind-Up Kitten's effect to target their monster and return it to their own hand, and then you overlay for a rank 4 Xyz monster. And we also have Dark Rebellion Xyz Dragon in this deck as well. Anyway, one question, you guys. The question of the day is that, do cats have gender? I mean, like, can you tell if a cat is a guy or a girl? I mean, I was like looking at the Wind-Up Kitten's picture, and I'm like, she's pretty cute. Wait, hold on, is she a he or a she? If you get what I mean, like, are cats genderless or do they have a gender? I'm pretty sure they do have one, but I don't think I might be right, but you guys know better. So please tell me in the comments below. That's the question of the day. Do cats have gender, or are they genderless? To be continued in the next episode. Anyway, so here's the deck profile. I hope you enjoyed this deck profile. If you enjoyed, click that like button, subscribe for more videos. I do believe that the next deck profile will be a Lightstorm deck profile. Also, after that, I think it would be a Spirit, but if you have any suggestions, just put it in the comments below, and I will make it. I enjoy doing that, so thank you all for watching, and X-Ros-M signing out, and I'll see you in the next video.